Car owners, warning. You might be driving with hidden dangers and missing out on game-changing car tech. But I've got you covered. Blind spots? Fixed. Dead battery? No problem. No CarPlay? Instant upgrade. Worried about accidents or hit and runs? This dashcam has your back. And the last one? It saves you hundreds on car repairs while giving you total control. And the best part? AliExpress is running massive discounts, up to 52% off. That's like getting premium car gadgets at half the price. Let's dive in before these deals disappear. 1. Blind spot monitoring system, 40% off. Reality check. How many times have you changed lanes, thinking it was safe, and suddenly, honk, someone was in your blind spot? That split second can mean the difference between a safe drive and a nasty crash. This blind spot monitoring system solves that. 24 gigahertz microwave radar scans your surroundings in real time, flashes and alerts you when a car is in your blind spot. Works in all weather, rain, fog, darkness, no problem. Don't wait for a close call to realize you need this. Grab it before it's too late, link in description. Oh, and just imagine, no more anxiety every time you switch lanes. Now that is peace of mind. 2. AI Box Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto 52% off. All right, be honest. Are you still using a USB cable to connect CarPlay? Come on, it's 2025. Who has time for messy wires? This AI box lets you go full wireless. Instantly converts your car screen into wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Watch YouTube, Netflix, and more. Yes, you read that right. Super easy plug and play, no tools needed. Let's face it, your car is basically your second home. Wouldn't you want the best tech in it? Snag this deal now, link in description. If you've ever fumbled with your phone while driving, stop. This is your solution. 3. ASUS 5000A Jump Starter, 45% off. Imagine this. It's late at night, you turn the key, and nothing. Your car battery is dead. You're stranded. Now, imagine this instead. You pull out your ASUS Jump Starter, plug it in, and boom, your car is running in seconds. 5000A power jump-starts any petrol or diesel car. 260 800 mAh power bank. Charge your phone, laptop, and more. Compact and portable, fits in your glove box. Trust me, you need this. Because let's be real, do you really want to be that person calling for a jump at 2 a.m.? 4. JanSight 10.26 4K dashcam, 46% off. If you drive, you need a dashcam, period. 4K recording, every detail captured day and night. Rearview mirror touchscreen, your old mirror, upgraded. Parking mode, your car is protected even when you're not there. What if someone hits your parked car and drives off? Without footage, you're stuck paying the bill. With this dashcam, you have proof. Don't wait until it's too late, get yours now. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to capture those crazy drivers for TikTok? 5. Otofix D1 Lite OBD2 scanner, 46% off. Ever had your check engine light turn on and immediately panicked? Mechanics love charging hundreds just to check the issue. What if you could do it yourself? In seconds? Reads and clears error codes. No more expensive diagnostics. Wireless Bluetooth connects straight to your phone. Works on all OBD2 cars. Fix your car on your terms. Let's be real. Why give mechanics your money when you can diagnose the problem yourself? Save money and stay in control. Link in description. You'll be the friend everyone calls when their car acts up, and you'll look like a genius. Why pay more when you can get the best car accessories for up to 52% off? These AliExpress deals won't last long. So if you want them at this price, act fast. Click the links in the description and upgrade your car now. Which one do you need the most? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car hacks, deals, and product reviews. See you in the next video.